Hi everyone, this is Frank from Apple One-to-One. And today I want to discuss a couple of ways to activate your camera and some neat features that you can turn on that will help you when you're taking photos or videos. The first way that you activate your camera is from the lock screen. In the lower right hand corner you'll see a camera icon. If you push on that, that will activate the camera app. That's the first way. The second way is you tap on your lock screen, open your phone, go to the camera icon in the upper right hand corner, and it activates the app just like that. A third way, and I'm hoping you will find this very useful, is you're going to change some settings. So we're going to go into settings, and then you're going to go to accessibility, and then you're going to hit touch, and then you're going to slide down to the bottom to where it says Backtap. Select that. Now you have two choices here. You can hit a double tap or a triple tap, and hopefully in this video I'm going to show you what each can do for you. So right now we're just going to select double tap, and now you're going to see where it says system. You're going to select camera. Go back. For triple tap, I'll show you how you can change this as well. Again, hit it, and then let's slide down to screenshot. Check that off. Go back, back again, keep going. There you go. Now you have set the camera as a double tap. You've also set screenshot as a triple tap. So now all you're going to do is, let's do the screenshot first. Triple tap on the back of your phone. And you see how it just took that screenshot? There you go. It's going to take it and put it right in your photos. Now, if I double tap on the back of my phone, there you go. It opens the camera app. So hopefully that's a quick way to get to your camera app and also a screenshot. But you can play around with those. So you have two options, double tap and triple tap. And you can select whatever function you want. Another question we had is how come the camera phone does not remember or go to something other than photos? Suppose, for example, you wanted to shoot video and you want your phone to automatically open into the video app. You can do that. You're going to go back to settings, slide down to camera, hit camera. Now we're going to do two things here. The first thing I want you to do is, if you do not have use volume up for burst, turn that, if that's off like that, turn it on please. And I'll explain that a little bit later. One above that, preserve settings. Let's tap that. Now you have a bunch of options here, all related to the camera. So if you turn on camera mode right here, turn that on, then that will preserve the last mode, such as video, rather than automatically reset to photo. And you can look at these other ones and determine whether or not you want to turn them on. You have creative controls, exposure adjustment, night mode, portrait zoom, action mode, live photo. All right. Once that's done, you exit out of your camera. Now, if you're here, let's double tap on the back of the phone and the camera app will open. All right. Now it came back to photos. So what I want you to do is let's change it to portrait, or I'm sorry, video. And we're going to change a setting. So let's say the only settings that it will not retain are your zooms. So let's take action mode and put action mode on. Close the camera. All right. Double tap again. And when the camera app opens, notice all of your settings are retained. It came back to video. The flash is off. Action mode is on. 2K at 60 frames per second. Now, if we go back to photo, notice here, again, the photo is off, the flash is off. You see the upper caret. If I touch that, that's going to show us all the different settings that you can change. So, for example, if I wanted live photo on, I would hit that, and you see it says live photo off. If I put it on, let's say auto, there you go. Now, if I want it off, again, you just tap it, hit off. Now you'll notice the icon in the upper right-hand corner has a line through it. That icon to the right, to the left of live is your filters. If you tap on that, that's going to show you the different settings: vibrant, rich contrast, standard. All right. So you say you want your photos to be warm. You want that. Just leave it there. Okay. Hit your upper caret again, and that bottom thing goes away. You can then take your photo, and it will have that setting in it. All right. So that's how. Now, notice I switch back to video. If I close my camera, double tap on the back of my phone to activate it, it came right back to video. So my suggestion here is if you know you're going to an event and you want to shoot primarily video, set up your video before you go, whatever configuration you'd like. Just shut it down. When you get there, just double tap the back of your phone. The video setting will come back. I also asked you to set the volume up button for burst photos. What a burst photo is it will take milliseconds and run off a bunch of photos. Now, where this is useful, if you're taking a group shot, inevitably somebody's not ready, they close their eyes, they move, and you look at the photo and you go, oh, I got to take another one, All right, so here's how this works. What you do is you just set your photo. Now, because I had set the volume button to shoot burst, now keep your eye on the center button where the white circle is. I'm pressing the volume. I took 17 photos. Now, because there's no action in that photo, so nothing is going to appear, but I took some shots earlier that I can show you. So if we go to photos, now here's the one I just took. Notice it says select. If you hit select, down at the bottom, you can scroll through and you can see all of the photos that I took. Now, there's no difference between each one because there's no action. So I'm just going to hit cancel on that one. But if we go back to this one here, this is my lovely wife. If I hit select, you see I just had her move around, whatever. So if you notice, in the lower right-hand corner, there's a circle. You can, so if we want that one, just hit that circle. So now if I go and I say, all right, I want that one, and I want that one, and we'll do that one. All right. So now in the upper right-hand corner, you say done, and it's going to say keep everything or keep only the 3 favorites. All right. My suggestion is that you never keep everything, because the purpose of the burst photo is to select the best of that particular shot. And so in this case, I'm going to say I only want those 3 favorites that I've checked off. Now I have just those 3 that I checked. All right. Another example that I have is this photo here that I took in my studio. If I hit select, you'll see that I had the color light changing. So let's say, and you see the only difference is that the color light changes. So I want 1 green, 1 blue, 1 red. Okay, I check them off, and you see the other just multiples. So if I hit done, keep only the 3 favorites. Now I have a red, a blue, and a green. That's what the burst photo does for you. I hope you find that useful. I have over a number of times when you're taking a group shot. That's always a big thing for me. Now, the last thing I want to mention is that when you're shooting video, please always shoot in landscape mode. The reason you want to do that is because if you happen to watch that video on a big screen TV, the landscape mode video will fill your entire screen, whatever the size of it is. If you shoot in portrait, it will only show you the video in the center of your screen, and to the left and right on your screen you will have black space. Pretty annoying, especially when you're shooting a nice video of a wedding or whatever, birthday party. You want that full screen effect. So please shoot in landscape mode. All right. So that's it for today. If you found this useful, don't forget to hit subscribe and like. Leave us your comments. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for viewing our content. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe so you can see all our training videos as well as links to download our podcast.